G'day guys, Grumpy Trev back again with another 5-minute bite or binnet review. Today, the Eachine trash can. This 2S swoop is supposed to be, it's the talk of the town really, it's supposed to be Ant's pants. So I'm not going to waste any time, I'm not going to whack it on the bench, I'm just going to get out and fly it because that's what everyone wants to see. So I won't waste any more of your time, let's get out and just fang it and see what happens. Well guys, this trash can, that's where it's going to go because this thing's fucked. Hit the tree and broke a prop, and now plug it in, lights go on, nobody's home. It's got no gyro anymore, we've plugged it back into Betaflight and it's just doing nothing. So that was a very minor hit. If that's what sort of thing is going to break this, I couldn't even recommend it. It does fly okay, but the tune is not as good as the Mobula7. So if you're looking for something that's decent, get the Mobula7. They've got a new frame out now, which is probably just as good as this thing. It flies better than this anyway. This thing's got a great camera in it. That's really about it. Probably get a bit of carry on this, but all I did was hit a tree, and I'm sure a lot of guys are going to go out there and do the same thing, land it hard, and if that's all it does to break it, it's not worth having. Anyway, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like it, I don't give a shit. Catch you next time.